Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi, this is Ghufran. In this video, we are making Catching Apple project in Scratch 3.0. So let's do it. This is my Scratch 3.0. This is all the available blocks. This is my code area. This is my stage. This is my sprite area, and this is my backdrop. Backdrop means background. So let's do it. So I don't need the sprite, so I'm removing it from here. Okay, good. Now I'm choosing a backdrop, so you can choose a backdrop from here. Here you can see all the backdrop, you can see it here. So I'm choosing a blue sky backdrop. Here you can see a blue sky backdrop. That's good. Now I'm adding a sprite to my project. Sprites are the actors, objects which performs in your project. So choose a sprite from here. Here all the available sprite, you can see it here. I'm selecting a bowl sprite, so you can see it here. Okay, good. Now I'm adding some blocks for my bowl sprite. So whenever I click on flag, what I need, so I am just clicking when flag has been clicked. So you can zoom it here for, okay, so whenever flag has been clicked, so foreverly do what? Foreverly do if anyone press the keyboard right arrow, so the bowl will move into the right direction. So for this I'm adding a change X position by 10. So you can see it here. If I'm pressing the right arrow, so the bowl is moving into the right direction. So same is the case for the left. So just right click on if, duplicate and paste it below the if condition. Okay, good. You can see it here. This is one if and this is the second if. If anyone press the left arrow, so that will move into the left direction. For this I'm adding simple a minus subtraction sign into my code. So you can see it here when I press the left and when I press the right arrow. So that's great. Now I'm adding another sprite to my project, that is the apple sprite. So I am choosing a sprite here, and there is an apple sprite. You can see it here. So apple sprite. So the apple size is little bit big, so I am decreasing a size from here 70% and okay. So now I am adding a blocks for my apple sprite. So you can add the sprite. So whenever flag has been clicked, okay, good. Okay, so set y to 180. Set y to 180. So you can see it here. Y it goes to the, whenever I click on flag, it will goes to the 180 position. Okay, good. So now I want this apple to move into the from up to down direction. So for this the y position will be changed. So change y by, you can see it here. If I'm pressing the change y by 10, so it's moving into up direction. When I press minus, so it will move into the down direction. So what I need, I'm doing this foreverly, change y by minus 10. You can see it here. That's great. So I'm applying a condition. So that speed is little bit fast. I'm applying a condition. If this apple comes into this position, so it will go back to the up position. So for this I am applying a condition, that is if the comparison operator, if the y position of apple less than minus 180, so go back to the set y to 180 and go to random position. So you can see it here. It's been moving up to down. So what I'm adding another block, that is go to random position. So you will see it here. Go to random position, then set y to 180. So that's great. Now I'm adding another condition for my project, that is if this apple touches to this bowl. So this is another condition. So just drag this if this apple touches to the bowl, So you can click on the sensing and drag this touching block into this if condition. If this is touching, so what I need, so this will apple will go back to the up position. So same I am doing it. Go to random position and set y to 180. You can see it here. Okay, great. I need a sound playing, that is start sound chomp. So you can see it here. That's great. And I'm adding another thing, that is score, to my project. So for this I need a variable. So you can click on this variable option. There is an option that is make a variable, and here I'm typing score and press OK. So you can see it here, the score has been added to your project. So the score in the initial time is 0. So I am setting the score to 0, and when the apple and bowl touches, so change score by 1. Change score by 1. You can see it here. That's great. You can also add some costumes to the apple sprite. So this is an apple sprite. You can also add another costume, that is banana. That's great. 2 costume has been added, and you can add next costume when apple touches with bowl. You can see it here. That's great again. And you can also add a background sound. So when flag has been clicked, foreverly play a sound. Click on sound tab, play sound. There is only chomp sound, so I'm adding another sound. So you can add the sound from this sound tab, and you can add a choose a sound. Here all the available sounds. Click on this loops, and you can press this bossa nova, and you can select this bossa nova here, and you can play it here. You can see it here. It's great. Your project is completed. So that's it. If this video helps you, okay, so that's it. If this videos help you, do like this video, and please must subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.